So if I were to go around onto my home right here, so you can see that this is what you have. Let me just go ahead and visit out this site, and you can see that my home has these particular information right here. But let's say I want to change around what my home page actually displays. So in that case, I'm going to go around onto customized right here from my page, and then I get to the customization page from over here. So over here on the left hand side, you can see that home page settings is an option. So right now the home page is a static page, as you can see right here, and then you see all of these information right here. But what I can also do is change it into my latest post right here. So once I go ahead and choose that, now instead of my regular things, I simply have my latest post listed out right here, just like this as well. So that is what you can do with your home right here. You can go ahead and hide the site header over here if you want, and hide the site footer, menu, and widgets as well. So that is what I can do right here. So if I were to go around and scroll down, this is quite a bit right here. So let's just go around and change it into a static page itself. So now you can see that I can go ahead and hide in the home page title or enable it. So you can see the home page right here. I can enable and disable it. You can go ahead and hide the footer right here. So if there's like footers right here, you can go ahead and see that out. So that's not much, so you don't see any changes. And you can also go ahead and enable and disable the site header if you want to as well. So you can disable, you can hide the site header, as you can see. But if I were to go ahead and then let's say, for example, disable it, then I see my site header right here. So this is what you can do. So you can go ahead and change it out to latest post as well. And once you do that, it'll simply get changed into latest post just like that. So that is how you can work around with the homepage settings inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe